Hello everyone. We are going to see the general information regarding unpolarized and polarized light. So see here carefully for the concept of unpolarized and polarized light. Light. We are knowing light is electromagnetic wave. Light is called electromagnetic wave. Electric wave and magnetic wave. In this, all three, see carefully, if propagation vector of electric wave lies in this direction, speed of light c, electric vector along y-axis, this is, and magnetic vector along z-axis, let it is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. And the identification of this electromagnetic wave has this property: all three are perpendicular electric wave and lies in same phase. The identification of light is always due to this electric wave or electric vector E. That is why light energy is called electric vector. Because the identification of any light wave is determined by electric wave, not by the magnetic wave. Here in this case, see very carefully how if electric wave, electric vector lies in all possible directions of the electromagnetic energy, light energy. Here according to this diagram, let a light wave is traveling in this direction. Propagation vector along it. Then if it's a electric vector vibrates in all possible directions. Electric vector lies in all possible direction, like according to the figure. Then in that condition, this light is called unpolarized light. All possibilities, all possible direction. So we may say here in this case, electric vector E along all possible direction. And always this electric vector perpendicular to, normal to propagation vector C. Then in that condition, the light is known as unpolarized light. Now see about the polarized light. Light. Here in this polarized light, see very carefully, this electric vector E lies along single plane, then this vector is called this light. If in a light beam their electric vector lies in a single plane, then light is said to be polarized light. The symbol of the unpolarized light, polarized light is given below here. See, first of all, for unpolarized light. For unpolarized light, let us see very carefully. This is light is traveling along this direction. See, propagation vector is along it. If electric vector of all waves lies in a single plane, let in a coordinate geometry see if it is x-axis and y-axis, so propagation along x-axis and electric vector E along y-axis, then situation is for polarized light. So here in this, first of all, look for the polarized light along in one axis along the propagation here. In that condition, see carefully, in this condition plane of vibration is along plane of paper along this, and we are knowing that this also plane of polarization perpendicular to plane of paper here in this case. So this is one of the example of polarized light. Polarized light can also be represented in this way. See in the direction. Along this direction, let's see. If plane of vibration, see in this direction the symbol here, plane of vibration perpendicular to the plane of paper represented by the dotted line. This is the electric vector E. So plane of vibration is perpendicular along plane of paper, and we are knowing plane of polarization and plane of vibration is perpendicular to each other. Then in that condition, plane of polarization is along to plane of paper. Here in this case, along plane of paper. So these two are the representation for polarized light. Now this is time to see for the unpolarized light. For the unpolarized light, the diagram is symbol is very clear. It is given here. It can be represented in this term also. Let light is moving in this direction. Propagation vector is this. Their electric vector lies in all possible plane So this symbol is made everywhere. Their electric vector lies in all possible planes. So this is for symbol of unpolarized light. So this is all about polarized light, and this is unpolarized light and polarized light. Thank you and have a nice day to all.